stretch. We have caught it on CCTV. We have access to footage. And now we are told that same person was going down. He met with an accident. When he met with an accident, the lady this thing, inspector, she showed us his photo. And that photo corresponds with the same thing what is on our CCTV.
Okay.
So mostly we have identified, I think he's a drunkard.
Drunkard.
He is drunkard. No other complication. Everything else is...
Only
Only the vases he damaged. He threw one motorbike down also. And some chairs he threw down. Nothing more than that. Everything is this.
He's a drunk.
He's a drunkard. No other.
your name?
My name is Vincent Gracious. I'm the treasurer of Africa.